Hello everybody, I'm here at the Killingworth Library, 301 Route 81, Killingworth, Connecticut, just north of the circle where 81 and 80 intersect. Speaking of circles, July 21st, that's a Friday, 6:30 p.m. For about an hour, we're going to be doing a very special workshop right here in this tent they've put up for us. Going to be calling it Poetry and Tai Chi. We'll have an opportunity to move outdoors, sit outdoors, practice stepping and shifting and turning and incorporating our breath, our body, and our brains. So please consider joining us at this really lovely site. This is a free workshop, and I'll include a link to the registration to help the library know how many people will be coming. Please join us. Thanks. If enough people join, we're going to consider doing this as an ongoing class. Thank you.